Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, a big warm welcome to you. So if you landed on this video, I'm guessing you're thinking about grabbing a hosting plan and you're on the hunt for a good coupon code. Am I right? Of course I am, and honestly I totally get it. Why pay full price when you don't have to? Now here's something I really want you to hear before you go anywhere else. You might have already stumbled across some coupon codes online promising a 10% discount, and while that's cool, it's honestly leaving money on the table because right now there's a full 20% discount available and I've got it covered for you. The best part, you don't even have to do anything complicated. I've set up a special link that automatically applies the 20% discount the moment you land on Hostinger's website. No copying, no pasting, no stress. It just works no matter what country you're in or what currency you're paying in. Once you're on the Hostinger website, through my link, head up to the navbar and click on products and services. You will see all of their amazing offerings laid out right there: cloud hosting, web hosting, website builder, and even hosting a business email. For this video, I'm going to walk you through their VPS hosting plans so you can see exactly how smooth this process is. You will see plan options like KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. And for demonstration, I'm picking the KVM2 plan. And just like that, when I hit checkout, boom, the 20% discount is already sitting right there, automatically applied. How satisfying is that? One little pro tip before I let you go: if you want to make absolutely sure the discount works perfectly, try signing up with a fresh email address that hasn't been used on Hostinger before. That's the sweet spot for getting the deal to go through without any hiccups. Alright, that's everything you need. If this helped you save some cash today, do me a favor, smash that like button and hit subscribe. It genuinely means the world and helps me keep bringing you deals like this. See you in the next one.